When it comes to recording your voice when you're doing a screen capture or when you're doing a presentation, there's obviously a couple options. The first option is just hit record screen and do it live, and it's going to record your audio and it's going to record your screen at the same time. Obviously, if you're doing a lot of training just like I'm doing now, that's exactly what you would do. If you're doing a professional type of sales presentation video, what I highly recommend is you write out a script. And in the download area, in the membership area, I have given a PDF, which is a script of my sales video. And you can see it right here. Here's the PDF that I've given. And you can see that there's 4 steps to my sales presentation here. It just follows the problems, implications, solutions, and results. And obviously the problems would be, video is huge. And if you're not going to get into video, you're going to lose a lot of money and you're going to miss out on a lot of money and the opportunity. And the implication is that it's you can do it. And if you don't do it, there's a lot of money on the table that's going to be missed. And the solution is Camtasia training that I'm doing right here, and the results are spectacular with the great videos. And then I go right into my close. You can read the I put notes in red here of what's happening and the problem and implications and so forth. You can see that obviously when I did my video, all I did is I read line by line this script, and I highly recommend that you write out your script and you practice reading it in a natural voice. Don't sound like you're reading, try to sound like you're actually talking. And I just read this script and word for word, and I pretty much stayed right to it. And to record your video, or excuse me, to record your voice, you got a couple of options here. You can either go to your audio and there's a recording, a voice narration, and I can start recording and it's going to record my voice as I'm reading it. I can use that, but I highly recommend using another software for recording your voice and doing audio, and it's a free software. It comes in both PC and Mac, and it's called Audacity. And I'll show you how easy this is to work. I'm just gonna, for example, what you do, you start off with a pause. I'll hit record, I will pause, and then I will start my script. You are about to discover a most powerful presentation for creating videos, blah, blah, blah. And then I'll hit stop. And here is where I can do my editing right here. The first thing that I did is I exhaled and then I started my script. And what I wanted to do is have some blank, some space so that I know how much computer noise there is. So what I do is I want to take out all the background noise and do some noise removal. And this has some great features here. So I want to take my mouse and I want to highlight a section of a line, go to Effect, and I want to go to Noise Removal. And it says Get Noise Profile. What's going to do is going to take this section and it's going to filter out the profile of what's silence. So I will get the noise profile, and then I will go Control A and I will highlight the entire thing, go back to Effect, click on Noise Removal, and then click on OK. Now I will leave these as default. You can play around with it, make sure it's Remove, and click OK. Okay, the second thing you can do is obviously you can edit this. You can just take that section there and you just hit Delete, and then you can play. And then I will start my script. You may not be able to hear my computer speakers, but I just hit Delete and I want it to start right here. You are about to discover a most powerful... You see that? So that's my audio right there, and all I need to do is click on File. I will go Export, and I want to export it as a WAV, or if you're on a Macintosh, as a AIFF. All right? Do not export as an MP3 because that's compressed. You want it uncompressed, either in a WAV or an AIFF.